there, I'm Alex from WTI. Some of you may be really familiar already with resistance bands, but not me. To be honest, I was a bit skeptical about how effective these bands would be. I had never used resistance bands before, so I didn't really have anything to compare them to. But I was really happy with these ones here from Gritin. As you start to use them, you realize just how many different exercises you can do with them. They take up hardly any space. As you can see, I have them in the palm of my hand, so you can take them literally anywhere you go. And I like the pack of 5 different strengths, again, giving you lots of options for workouts. For instance, the lighter ones you could use with your arms, and the heavier ones you could use to work your legs. The lighter bands would be great for injury recovery or for therapy. My niece is trying to build up strength in her left hand, and these bands were so helpful for that, and she loves that she can be able to work out with me too. So whether you're strength training or stretching or trying to improve your physical therapy, these bands from Gritin are a top-notch choice. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.